Here are 10 Amazon Genius smart gadgets and tools. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below and pinned in that comments section. And of course, nothing in this video is sponsored. Let's do it. We are starting off with a #1 bestseller, my friend, this salt and pepper shaker. This is not just your typical salt and pepper shaker. What makes this one so unique? It automatically grinds all of your spices. You can easily adjust the coarseness to your liking. It's versatile and works well with pepper, salt, and other solid seasonings, making it a great addition to your kitchen, restaurant, or picnic setup. The unique design features a BPA-free transparent bottom to check spice levels and a blue LED light for a clear view of your seasoning. This is literally like the coolest thing in my kitchen right now. My kids absolutely love it because they can easily get fresh ground pepper and salt. And here's the best part about this. Not only is it chic, super versatile, but it's currently 15% off for a limited time, and there's an additional 5% off coupon. So whenever you see that little green checkbox on Amazon, make sure that you hit it. When friends come over to our house, they love using this, no joke. Fun fact, I hate putting sunscreen on my kids in the summer because it takes off my nail polish, but not anymore with the Sunscreen Sponge. The Solar Buddy is a game changer for hassle-free sunscreen application, especially when you're on the go. The refillable sunscreen applicator holds your favorite sunscreen, making it perfect for beach days, pool trips, or outdoor events. Also, it's super easy for kids to apply sunscreen on themselves. Of course, they're going to need a little help on their back and shoulders. The unique sponge and rollerball combo ensures a mess-free application every time, reducing waste and making it simple for kids to use on their own. I love this because sunscreen can get super pricey, and when I'm wasting less, I love that. It has a handy carabiner clip that you can easily attach to your bag, so it's always within reach. It comes in a variety of fun colors. We have blue, green, and I love the pink. Often my kids are so excited just to get in the sun, they hate putting on the sunscreen, but not anymore with this fun, fancy tool that actually works. One of my favorite chores is mopping the floor. No kidding, because I love seeing how much dirt and grime I was able to collect at the end of my mopping trip. But what I love even more are these O-Cedar packs, because all you have to do is drop them in your bucket. Oftentimes floors become sticky because we use too much cleaner, but not anymore with these predetermined packs. And can I just say, they smell so good while delivering a powerful deep clean with so much ease. These packs use concentrated enzymes to tackle dirt and grime, leaving your floors spotless and streak-free. And here's the best part. It contains a formula made from 97% naturally derived ingredients, so they're gentle on all hardwood floors and free from harsh chemicals like ammonia, bleach, or parabens. They come in 2 refreshing scents, crisp citrus and lavender, to keep your home smelling fresh. I'm not sure which one I love best, so I like to alternate between the two. We often use these sort of packs when it comes to our dishwasher and our washing machine, so why not our floors? We have 2 large vehicles taking up space in our garage because we have 4 children that we need to transport. So with that being said, there's not a lot of garage space. So it's time to get some things up off the floor and make the most use of our space. These heavy-duty storage hooks are a game changer for organizing bulky items in your garage or even in your basement. They have a 100-pound load capacity, and they're thicker and stronger than most, making them perfect for hanging everything from kayaks and paddleboards to ladders and garden tools. They also have a thick protector cushion to help protect your gear that you're hanging up, and they're ideal for keeping your space clutter-free and your belongings safe from damage. We're even using them to get my husband's pole vault poles off the ground. I don't know if you've ever seen a pole vault pole in real life, but they are super long and take up a ton of space. And fun fact, that's how my husband and I met in college, was pole vaulting on the track team. And as you can see, these worked like a charm. We have so much more space in our garage to store, well, all the kids' bikes now in the summertime. 4 come in a pack. This is a steal of a deal, just about $29. Plus, currently on Amazon at the time of filming, there's an additional 5% off coupon. Where have these been my entire life? I don't have a lot of clutter on my countertops, and if I do have something, I want it to look aesthetically beautiful and functional. So this wooden recipe book holder is perfection. With its rustic brown finish and clear wood texture, it adds a charming farmhouse touch to your kitchen while keeping your hands free. Now, I don't have a farmhouse style kitchen, so I do think it goes with any sort of decor. I love that it's made from solid wood, so it's both sturdy and lightweight, featuring a compact cross-type assembly that doesn't take up too much counter space, and it just looks so beautiful. Not only can it hold cookbooks, but it can hold tablets, magazine, even display crafts box. Ours is always holding one of my favorite cookbooks for display and use, but also my kids' art projects. It's a beautiful and practical addition to any part of your home. And it is a steal of a deal. It comes in 2 colors. You can get it in the brown or you could get it in white, and it's just about $12. Speaking of a chic and functional kitchen, I love this knife set. It has 15 pieces and it's designed to impress with its elegant golden titanium coated blades. I've had this knife set for quite a while. I wanted to make sure that it was really good quality for you before I recommended it to you, and I'm recommending it to you because I'm obsessed. It has all the knife sets you could ever need, but what I also love about this is it has a built-in sharpener on the side. One less kitchen gadget, heck to the yes. Now this knife set comes in multiple colors and a variety of different sizes. You could get it in chic black, which I really love. You can get it in golden black, and I got it in the golden and the white. And there are several other options available, such as silver natural or silver walnut, and the knives work beautifully. It's on sale right now for a limited time deal, 19% off. So if you are interested in this, I would definitely recommend putting this in your cart. Oh, and by the way, the kitchen scissors work wonderfully, and I am a lefty, so that is a true test. Do these scissors work with somebody who is a lefty? And yes, they do. Here's a gift for anybody, man or woman. The Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener is the perfect companion for sportsmen and women who need a reliable, compact sharpening solution in the field, at home, or in the shop. So if you really want to take your knife sharpening up another level, this is it. Now the sharpener in the knife block I just showed you works wonderfully. However, if you are like wanting to mince and just like go to town on anything that you're cutting, this is it. This is like next level sharpening for all of your knives. The ceramic honing rod even rotates to offer both coarse and fine surfaces. It's designed with durability and consistency in mind. After a couple of passes on this sharpener, you can see how easily this knife cuts these grapes. So here's the real story. I love the sharpener inside the knife block. It works great for me, but my husband, you know, being a guy, not to stereotype or anything, likes his knives extra sharp. And might I say, it does work extremely well. Right now on Amazon, this sharpener is 13% off, so it's just about $34. We've actually had this a couple of years now, and this is a product that is tried, tested, and true. Transform your ceiling fan into an effective air purifier with these coconut carbon filters. They are easy to install, self-adhesive filters that are made from renewable coconut shells and work silently to capture dust, pollen, pet dander, and other contaminants as your fan spins. This is really amazing. They offer powerful purification without the need for bulky, noisy air purifiers. Simply clean the top of your fan blade, then stick the filter to your fan blades, and when it's time for a change, typically 1 to 3 months after you install them, peel off and replace for continuous clean air. Enjoy a fresher, healthier environment effortlessly with these innovative, yes, innovative fan filters. On Amazon, for a 3-pack, they are 10% off for a limited time. This is like cleaning made easy in my opinion, and I am all about that. Confession, besides being obsessed with coffee and popcorn, I love cilantro, but I needed to find a way to keep it fresher for longer without wilting. So when I found this Green Saver Herb Keeper, I was so excited. It is the ultimate solution for keeping herbs fresh and vibrant. And I have to say, my cilantro has lasted me over a week in my refrigerator, when typically after about 4 days it would get really wilty. It's designed to hydrate and protect your herbs. It features a basket that promotes 360-degree air circulation while the lid maintains the perfect humidity level. The hinge basket opens wide, allowing easy access to delicate leaves while still keeping them safe and secure. This handy keeper fits neatly anywhere in your refrigerator, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. It's great for storing sage, rosemary, thyme, mint, and so much more, and it ensures your herbs stay fresh and flavorful for longer. I've even tried the paper towel trick when it comes to preserving my cilantro, and I have to say this keeper works hands down better than anything else I've tried. If you have pets or you have people in your home with hair, particularly females, this tool is a game changer. I love using this hair rake on my vacuum to ensure that the vacuum is spinning properly after several uses, but you can also use it to keep your hairbrushes nice and clean. It's designed to work with any vacuum to enhance cleaning efficiency. Yes. Its teeth effortlessly cut through both animal and human hair, clearing up blockages and tangles in seconds. And as you can see, it did an incredible job grabbing all the hair from these brushes. Here's what's really cool. With a convenient faceplate release in the handle, you can easily access and clean your vacuum's roller brush, keeping it hair-free. And in my case, my boys like to leave small items on the floor, and they typically find their way into the vacuum. Thanks to this tool, I'm better able to get those items out of our vacuum. So this tool is a double banger here. Not only does it clean your vacuum from hair, but it cleans your hairbrushes from hair being stuck in it. This is worth every penny in my opinion. It's just about $12. Say hello to Picket and goodbye to annoying hair in vacuum cleaners and hairbrushes. This is the best vacuum gadget that you never knew you needed. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning, particularly Instagram stories, because I do share daily deals and #1 bestsellers. Click the link in the description box below to sign up for the free weekly newsletter, and click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.